Let me talk to you fellas real quick so that you become the real farmers of thought that you are destined to be. Kindly have the courage to act on the silent voice in you that keeps on telling you about who you really are, where you are meant to be, and what you need to do in order to advance even when nobody understands your mission. Trust you me, people will judge you for being who you are or who you are not, but you'll never regret a decision you make to be real and to live your optimum life. All you may regret is not going for the things and the life you actually wanted while you had the ability, settling when you were never comfortable, or evaluating your choices by how they looked instead of how they felt, and not being the human being you really wanted to be. Live your real life fully now.